Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss how to create a database. What is a database? A database is structured a collection of data organized and stored electronically in a computer system. It is a design to efficiently manage, store, receive, and manipulate data. According to predefined requirements, we know the database. Here is how to create the database. Here is the syntax. The syntax is create database and database name and execute. And refresh a databases and done creating the database.